So here is the three important types of candlesticks. So first three important types of candlesticks we are going to discuss today is doji and small candles, and engulfing candles, and long shadow candles, shortly known as pin bar candles. So next we are going to discuss doji. What is meant by doji candles? So doji candles which are having buying price and closing price near close to each other. It indicates less power by buyers and sellers. So it mainly includes inactive players, inactive or big players. So it indicates pause in the market. So doji candles are also indicates the pause in the market because it contains less volume, so it can't able to take the market either sides of bullish or bearish. So it also indicates these types of candles are more likely to see in the sideways markets. So as all we already discussed, so these types of candles are more likely to occur in sideways market. So whenever you want to take trades, don't it is a high probability of hitting your stop loss. So next, it is a place where more retail traders are active, where big players are not in the play. So because of no volume in these types of candles, so big players are not active. So it indicates that big players are not inactive. So these types of candles forms very volatile in the market. So don't plan to take the trades after. So the main psychology behind this candles is so soon we are going to see a trending market. Bullish engulfing candles or bearish engulfing candles indicates big players are very active in these types of candles, and it indicates that big players are active in the market. And these types of candles have very short shadows or no shadows. We can see these types of engulfing candles or with shadows or without shadows sometimes in the market. This indicates that the big players are active in the market. If you want to make money, always stay with the big players. So these types of candles also contains huge volume because of the big players are active in the types of candles. It indicates a huge volume in the market. So it can give you a good amount of profit if you trade these types of candles. So next we are going to discuss about the long wick candles, or shortly known as pin bar candles. Pin bar candles are two types: bearish pin bar candles and bullish pin bar candles. So it indicates that the more power in the market, that the buyers and the sellers. So it indicates that if the buyer tries to pull the market down, pull the market up, and the seller tries to pull the market down, and eventually at the end of the candle time, closing of the candle, so the buyer has a more power to close the above the opening of the price. So it indicates that the buyer has a more power in the market. So always get ready to take the trades. If you see a green color bullish engulfing candle, so take trades, break out of the high of the candle. If you see a red color bearish pin bar candles, so take trades at the low of the candle. So follow for more on Instagram.